Hey, it's Whitney. In this video, I'm going to share with you some wonderful products that have been part of my self-care routine. But before I get into that, it's been a little while since I did a video. I actually don't remember off the top of my head when I published the last one. It's been at least a month, I think. A few people messaged me on Instagram asking if I was still doing videos, which is really amusing to me because I think I would say if I'm going to stop entirely, I see myself doing videos for the indefinite future, but who knows? I guess anything can change, but I promise I will let you know if I stop. The best ways to keep up with me when I'm not posting regularly here on YouTube is through my newsletter, which is the very first link in the description field. I send out a newsletter every single week. It's jam-packed with tips on the vegan lifestyle, on living eco-friendly, on things that I'm working on. There's discount codes, there's recipes, there's fun things in there. I've been pouring my heart into those newsletters and I would love to have you part of it. It's completely free and you'll get an email from me every single week, which will really keep you up to date on things. The second way to stay in touch is through Instagram. I've been posting there really regularly recently, and I actually post regularly on Facebook and Twitter. Those are linked down below as well. I'm at Eco Vegan Gal on those platforms. I've been doing stories on Instagram and posting photos, but you can always DM me there. That's a really great way to get in touch. So in terms of what I've been doing outside of those projects and here on YouTube, there are actually two big projects that I'm really excited about that have been taking some of my time and energy. The very first one is my new brand, Wellevator. If you haven't checked that out yet, that'll be linked down below. That is a project I started with my best friend, Jason Robel, and we are launching a podcast very soon, which I can't wait to share with you. You can actually start listening to episodes right away through Patreon, or you can wait till they're released to the public through the podcast platform. So if you want to sign up, you can get that newsletter, you can get notified, and you can see all the things that we're doing on Wellevator. We release weekly emails and blog posts over there as well, and it's all about really living your best life. The word Wellevator is combining wellness with elevation. We really want to help you set some foundations for your wellness so you feel your best and let that have a ripple effect throughout your personal and professional life. And lastly, the other project I've been working on is something that doesn't have a name set in stone yet. It's called the Balanced Body Project right now. And that is a book that I'm writing. And I also have a element of it called the Balanced Body Collective, which is a way for me to offer support to any of you who want support with their body. So especially this time of year, I'm recording this in June, a lot of women especially, and I'm sure men do as well, struggle with their body image. And actually this is a year-round thing, but I feel like it really gets highlighted during the summer. I started working on this project officially a few months ago. I think it was in March 2019, but I've been working on it in my head for years, and I'm finally sitting down to write this book. You can pre-order the book, which allows you to get excerpts of the book and get to see drafts of things that I'm working on every week. So if you're really eager to see what I'm sharing with that, it's really all about body positivity, self-love, looking at our bodies in a healthy and balanced way mentally. I talk about how I worked through my eating disorder and how that still affects my life in a lot of ways. I talk about how veganism has helped me, how things like yoga and various forms of movement, how meditation, all of these different things that I've been practicing over the years that have helped me come to a place where I'm starting to love my body more than ever. And I really want to help you do the same. I know this is such a huge struggle. So if you want to check that out, learn more about it, you can check out the link right down below. Okay, speaking of self-care, let's dive into the main topic of this video, which is share with you some products that I've been using lately. So if you didn't know this already, I have been receiving the Goddess Provisions box, which is a subscription box. I've been getting it in the mail for about 2 years now, and it has become my favorite subscription box. They are not a sponsor, but I am an affiliate of theirs, so there's a link down below in the description field. If you sign up for the box because of me, then I might receive a small commission from that. But otherwise, I would talk about them regardless because I love this box so much. So what I want to start doing is sharing with you the products that I've been using from the previous month, and then I'm going to do an unboxing of this current month. So first we're going to begin with the products from May 2019, and that was this Divine Feminine theme. Every month there's a special theme of the products, which I really love. They send you these cards which have some nice designs. Actually, I hang a lot of these on my refrigerator because they're so pretty. And then they have details about the products. So this is a list of all the products from May, and I actually haven't used them all yet. So I'm just gonna share with you the ones that I have used, and then in another upcoming video, maybe I'll tell you about the others. So first and foremost is this necklace. This is a turquoise necklace from a company whose name I cannot pronounce very well, so I will link to that down below. And this stone of turquoise was traditionally used in Egyptian royalty. So I think it's really pretty. It often looks nice with black, but I think it looks nice with this color shirt too. Then I really enjoy every month in the Goddess Provisions boxes, they send stones or crystals, and this is a lapis lazuli, perhaps is how you pronounce it. I really like the texture and the size of this one. I'm sure it comes in different sizes depending on where you get it from, but I just like having this in my hand. I'll keep this on my desk and I find myself just rolling it in my fingers a lot. And this is something that you can use to meditate with to open up your third eye chakra. So if you're familiar with the chakras through yoga or meditation, actually I love to bring these to meditation classes, or if I'm meditating at home, these are really wonderful. And these are all, this one in particular is about your divine purpose from the spiritual realm. And a big theme of May was Egyptian. So this is traditionally used in Egyptian jewelry and as a pigment in makeup and textiles. So another thing I like about Goddess Provisions is that you learn something new through each of these products. They talk about the ingredients in here and the history of things. It's really interesting. One of my favorite products from last month was this little body oil from Spirit Element. And this is cool because you can use this as a massage oil, or you can put it in your bath, which is what I do. It has mica in it, so when you shake it up, you get all of these gold, you know, looking flakes swirling around, and you can put this in your bath and the whole bath becomes really sparkly. Plus, I really like the way the oil integrates into the water, so it makes my skin really soft, and it smells great. It has some essential oils in it. This one has jasmine, which is one of my favorites. And they have sent another one of these in the past that I have not used, but now that I'm hooked on this one, I'm gonna use the other scents that they have from Spirit Elements. And then my fourth and final favorite product from the box in May is this one from, it's called Coal Miner's Daughter Sugar Scrub. And this smells so good, plus it's a really good exfoliant. Even though it's got big chunky pieces in it, it still feels fairly gentle. I like to use this in the bath, so I will take a little bit out and just rub it on my arms, for example, on my legs, on my feet sometimes. I also love the smell of this so much. Let's see what's in here. It has frankincense, orange, bergamot, among other things, and it's just very grounding, I would say. It also has a scent that scents I should say, that I associate with masculinity, but I actually really like the way that they smell on my body. So I just get this really cozy, good feeling from it. So I mainly am into this because of the smell, but it's a great scrub. So those are the four things that I love. Those will be linked to you down below if you want to buy them separately. You may also be able to get one of the previous boxes. So if they have some left over, Goddess Provisions will sell boxes from other months. Or you can sign up for the subscription and get surprised each month, which is what I love. So let's see what's in this box for June 2019. I have no idea. I think that there's a summer theme. They have a really great Instagram account, so you can go on there if you want a sneak peek of what they're gonna send you, but I really like to be surprised. So let's see. The first product I'll start with is Tea Pig's Happy Tea. I'm a huge fan of tea, and almost every single Goddess Provisions has tea in it. And this is a feel-good tea with biodegradable tea. What's that word? I guess just the bags in there are biodegradable. And what's special about this tea? It's all about things that make you happy, and this can be helpful if you're feeling grumpy. So sometimes the reason that we take good care of ourselves is because we haven't been taking good care of ourselves. So self-care has to become a priority. And I also find that I turn to self-care when I'm feeling grumpy. So this is nice to have around, and I really like the size of this. I have a tea drawer that's has a little bit of room in it. It's generally overflowing, but I'm trying to drink tea more often so that I can, you know, make more room in there. So this will fit perfectly. I can't wait to try that. Next, a lot of things in the Goddess Provisions box are body care, and this is a face serum, which is really exciting because I think I'm about to run out of some of the serum I've been using. I do not know this brand, Zatic, but this looks really interesting and really nice. It's got some organic certifications, it's cruelty-free, of course. Everything in Goddess Provisions is vegan, it's non-GMO, it's got a whole list of everything. So another thing that I like about Goddess Provisions is that it's not just about veganism and spirituality, it's also about really great ingredients that are good for the earth and non-toxic to your health. Next, I bet you this is some jewelry. Jewelry is pretty common in Goddess Provisions too, and I really like this little pouch it came in. Feels like a bracelet. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't have any bracelets that look like this. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited about this. I've been getting into bracelets recently, and this is Amazonite. Charge your peace. Wear the stone for balance, stability, and inner peace. Yes, please. Ooh, it's just so pretty. All right. Next, this kind of looks like citrine. Well, I'll wait. There's the card at the bottom will tell me. What is this? This is a flying wish paper. I have to read about that too. Cool. It's a little journal, and it says the magic of half year 2019. What does that mean? Astrological pocket planner. One of the things that I've kept from Goddess Provisions and use very frequently is a moon phase calendar, and I keep it on my refrigerator and look at that almost every single day, so I always know where we're at. Ooh, this is neat. I can't wait to look through this. It's a powerful tool for creating magic and living in alignment with the cosmos. So some people might call that woo-woo, but I really like that stuff. I think it's really interesting at the very least, but a lot of the times there does seem to be a kind of global reason for why we're feeling something or going through something. You know, if you're into things like Mercury in retrograde, that's kind of where things like this come into play. So, wow. This is interesting. I've been meaning to journal more. All right, I think that's it in this box. So let's open up the card and answer any questions. So yes, this one says, sync your schedule with the energy of the cosmos. This is the Flying Wish Paper Wish Kit. Use this delightful fire ritual to let go of the past, set intentions, and welcome new possibilities. Cool. Well, summertime can be nice to do like little fire ceremonies at the beach and stuff like that. You know, sometimes the cards mention things that I don't get in the boxes, so I feel a little sad. I didn't get the Energized Glow face mask. I don't know why that happens. Maybe that's just for me. The boxes are sent to me for free because I'm an affiliate. So I don't know if there's like affiliate boxes that maybe just contain less things, but if you ever run into that, just email them and I'm sure they can sort that out. All right, the stone here is an orange calcite, which is meant to be the strongest during the summer solstice. I believe that's the theme of this box. Carry the stone with you to enhance feelings of joy, confidence, creativity, and integrate the spiritual realm with your physical reality. Love that. The boxes also have a listing of what each of the products is valued at. The boxes I think cost around $25 to $30, and the value is usually at least double that. This one looks like it's valued at over 75, maybe $80 of worth of products in here. So I always find like these boxes are jam-packed. They have really great things that I can put in use, and if I'm not going to use something, then I give it away. I give it to a friend, or I put it into one of the eco-vegan care packages. If you didn't know about those are linked down below. You can sign up and I'll send you a special package full of goodies like these sort of things. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to wrap this up. I would love to be in touch with you on Instagram, through the newsletter. I'd love to share with you more information about the projects that I'm working on. I can't wait to share with you the podcast because it's becoming a huge passion project of mine. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you, anything you want to say. If you haven't subscribed yet, or you know someone else who would like to subscribe, pass it along, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss videos when I do post them, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.